Hello class 11th. Today I am going to start with this chapter digestion and absorption. Now today I am going to start with this associated glands. Okay, associated glands. Now alimentary canal completed, and now today I am going to start with the second part of this digestion. That is associated associated glands. Associated gland in digestion. Okay, associated glands are those glands which secrete digestive juices. What are associated glands? Which secretes digestive juices for the digestion of food. Okay, now here first one is salivary gland. Salivary glands, as you know, there are three pairs of salivary gland. Three pairs. First one, salivary gland parotid. Second, submaxillary, also called submandibular, or third one is sublingual gland. Okay, and the parotid glands are located on the either side of the groove between the ramus of the mandible and mastoid process below the ear. The duct of parotid opens into the vestibule of the mouth cavity near the crown of the upper second molar tooth. The submaxillary gland are present medial to the mandible in the submaxillary triangle. The duct of the gland known as duct of Wharton. Duct of Wharton. Okay, and run centrally and medially to open in the floor of the mouth. Sublingual duct is situated beneath the tongue. Where it is situated? It is just beneath the tongue. Okay, and salivary gland secretion is very rich in salivary amylase. Salivary amylase starch splitting enzyme. ये क्या करता है? स्टार्च को ब्रेक डाउन करता है. स्टार्च स्प्लिटिंग enzyme. It is a starch splitting enzyme. The secretion of sublingual and submaxillary gland are however rich in mucin. This is rich in mucin. Okay, and the about 99.5% saliva is water and it contains two important enzymes, amylase enzymes. दो important enzymes होते हैं, that is amylase and lysozyme. Are present. Okay, now second gland, that is gastric gland. Okay, gastric gland that are present in the stomach are known as gastric gland. Types of the gastric gland: fundic gland, pyloric gland and cardiac gland. First one is fundic, जो fundus region में होती है, that is fundic gland. Second one is pyloric gland. And third one is cardiac gland. Okay, fundic gland, also called oxyntic gland. They occur in the body and fundus of the stomach and secrete hydrochloric. ठीक है, क्या secrete करती है? HCl and pepsogen, hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen and soluble mucin. This secretion is strongly acidic. Pyloric occur in the pyloric area of the stomach. The secretion is rich in mucin and it does not contain hydrochloric acid and is slightly alkaline in reaction. These glands also secrete a hormone called gastrin. Which hormone? All three secretes hormone, that is gastrin hormone. Now third one is cardiac gland. They occur in cardiac area and secrete mucin and a little amount of pepsinogen also. Okay. Function of the gastric juice. Function of this gastric juice. function of gastric juice. Okay, first function of gastric juice secreted by the gastric gland performs several functions. First is function of SCL. Now first one क्या होता है सबसे पहले मेन इसमें SCL. तो now function of SCL. तो first point, what is the function of SCL? Conversion of pepsinogen into pepsin. Pepsinogen into pepsin. HCl क्या करता है? पेप्सिनोजन को पेप्सिन में कन्वर्ट करता है. सेकेंड, it kills many bacteria, kills microorganism or bacteria organism. Or next, because of the presence of HCl, the gastric chyme partially digested almost liquefied food. What is chyme? Partially digested or liquefied food is acidic in reaction. When the acidic gastric chyme enters in the small intestine, it stimulates the liberation of the some gastrointestinal hormones such as the secretion and cholecystokinin and pancreogen. Now function of pepsin, protein digesting enzyme. Okay, pepsin, it breaks down the protein molecule, breaks protein molecule, breaks protein molecule of the food, peptones, proteases and polypeptide. These partially digested protein when enter in the small intestine provoke the secretion of the further gastrointestinal hormone. The function of mucus. Third is function of mucus. Okay, gastric mucus perform the following function. First, protect the gastric mucosa. Protect the gastric mucosa against the probable injury by acid, pepsin mixture and other injurious agent, and lubricate mucosa, which in turn assists the movement of the food in the stomach and retains water within it so that gastric epithelium keeps a watery environment. Now third associated gland, that is liver. Third associated gland, that is liver. Third associated gland, liver. And liver is the largest gland of the body. It is the largest gland of the body and secrete bile juices. And okay, and weighing about 1.5 kg in an adult human, it locates in the upper right portion part of the abdomen and just below the diaphragm on the lower surface of the right liver lobe, a thin walled pear-shaped structure present and which is called a gallbladder. Okay, and function of liver perform the several functions. It acts as an exocrine gland for the secretion of bile. ठीक है, bile का secretion करता है. And they play a prominent role in the metabolism of the carbohydrate, protein and fat. It acts as a storehouse for various substances like glucose, lipid, vitamins and iron. It play a protective role by detoxifying substance including drug and alcohol. It helps in the removal of unwanted particulate matter from blood through the mediation of the macrophages.